to the job site. We're taking down a couple green ashes today. Bernardo getting the bucket ready. Got Joni getting the chipper ready over there. Start setting up all the cones here so we can get started. Got the whole area with cones. Bernardo's getting ready to head up now. We're going to start tackling this tree. Finish the tree. Now all we have left is grabbed all the cones, cleaned everything up, getting all the trucks ready to go. Joni's putting up all the cones, and we're gonna start with this one here and then move on to the smaller one here. We're gonna block the road off a little bit more so we have some more room to work. chipper's getting moved up a little bit more. We got this one and this one to go. We got to move the cones forward. All we got left is to clean up this little area. Just finished with the trees that we had to do today. All that's left is to pick up all the logs. They're already all cut small, so we could take this back to the shop and dump it. Once we're done with that, we'll head back to the shop. got the truck dump. Other one just pulled up to get that dumped as well. Just made it back. The guys already filled this one up. They're gonna take this one out to get dumped. Then we gotta connect the chipper. We got a couple things we gotta chip up. We got a wedding later on in the day, so we need to get out of here early. Just finished filling this truck up. Started raining on us a bit, but I got these long pieces up and a couple pine trees. They're packing this one up. We got to get all this wood out of here. I have some more stuff to chip. We got to take these bigger ones here, go dump at the dumping spot before it closes on us. Alright, so we're cleaning up. The rain got to us. We got these logs ready for the sawmill. They'll be good on the trailer. We got some wood there. Just cleaning up, getting everything ready to go. I'm gonna start moving trucks out the way. I'm gonna get the plastics and the freight liner up front. I'm gonna get this chipper back here, and we're just gonna start lining everything up so we can clean and get everything ready to go. Video is a little bit shorter than usual, but it's been raining on and off all day and I didn't want to get the cameras all wet and stuff. It's around 3 o'clock. It's Saturday, so usually we get out around this time anyways. I want to say thanks to anybody who watched the video. I really do appreciate it. Any questions, any tips for me, leave them down in the comments below. Really do appreciate it. Thanks.